AIBI Pocket GPT is a personal, portable AI assistant powered by GPT technology. It can respond to text-based queries, hold verbal conversations, and analyze images. It remembers preferences and recurring topics for personalized assistance. It offers real-time translation for multiple languages. It offers directions and local recommendations. AIBI Pocket GPT provides explanations, examples, and tutorials. It answers questions on various subjects with simplified or advanced responses. It generates ideas for writing, art, or projects. It can help with brainstorming or editing. AIBI Pocket GPT is powered by GPT technology. It tailors communication style to the user's mood, cheerful when the user is down. It adapts the formality of responses based on the situation. It includes jokes, riddles, or games to cheer users up. It uses fun or witty remarks for lighthearted interactions. AIBI Pocket GPT can identify user emotions through text and voice tone analysis. It can respond with empathy or encouragement when needed. It provides comforting or uplifting messages when users share challenges. It avoids generic responses to create a more genuine connection. AIBI Pocket GPT recognizes stress signals and offers calming strategies. It guides users through breathing exercises or mindfulness sessions. It sends congratulatory messages for tracked goals or events.